Ever landed on a website in a foreign language and wished it could just translate itself side by side instantly? What if you could do that and switch between ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude all in one tool? Welcome back to our channel, and in this quick guide, I'll show you how to use Lufe.AI, a super handy browser tool that not only translates web pages in real time, but gives you insane control over how you translate and even which AI model you use. Alright, before we dive in, here's how to get Lufe.AI set up super quick. Just click the link in the description below. It'll take you straight to Lufe's Chrome Web Store page. Now, click on Add to Chrome, and then on Add Extension. Do these few steps and boom, Lufe.AI is added. You'll see the Lufe icon pop up in your browser bar. If it's hidden, click the puzzle icon and pin it for easy access. And that's it. You're ready to start translating in real time. First up, real-time bilingual reading for web. Just click the Lufe icon, choose your language, and boom, the translated text is below the original text. Here you see the original, below you see the translation. No more tab hopping. Next, meet the Quick Translate floating bubble. This little bubble pops up when you highlight any text, hover over it, and get instant translation on the spot. No extra clicks, no copy-paste. Now here's where it gets personal. You can customize the translation text style. Change the font, color, and even the background to match your reading comfort. Great for accessibility or long reading sessions. And here's the nerdy bit. You can switch between ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude as your translation engine. Each has its own tone and accuracy quirks, and Lufe lets you toggle with one click. So in under 2 minutes, we've translated a website in real time, hovered for instant bubble help, styled our text, translated word by word, and even switched our AI brains behind the scenes. It's lightweight, it's powerful, and honestly, I've been using it daily. If this helped you, consider checking out Lufe.AI via the link in the description below. It's a great way to support the channel, and I think you'll love how smooth it makes your web experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite feature. And hey, tag Lufe.AI if you like this tool.